So I hate to be that guy, but this is turning out to be one of the most hype releases for the entire month. I mean, low key, I could even go as far as to say that this is possibly one of the most hype Yeezy releases for the entire year. So yes, the 350 is back, but J.A. I don't want to hear none of that. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this weekend's re-release of the Yeezy 350 V2 Oreo. Welcome back, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. If you guys can do me a solid, go ahead and leave a thumbs up here on today's video. Helps the channel out so much. We have a special unboxing to get into. 2022 is the year of the Yeezy re-releases. So they're bringing back a classic. This pair is in high demand and there's just a special energy behind this release. So yes, the 350's back. I said it. Let's go ahead and get into this pair, man. So these joints dropped all the way at the end of 2016, December to be exact. So I still remember when these joints dropped. We had recently just gotten 3 different colorways for the 350 Black Friday pack. And then Adidas pulled a crazy move on us and decided to release a white stripe 350, and we nicknamed it the 350 V2 Oreo. So these joints go crazy. Resale prices on these are out of this world. So it's great that Yeezy's bringing back some of these classics. A lot of people missed out on these back in the day. So it gives us a chance to cop some of these releases without paying that crazy resale price. So you guys see it. Let's go ahead and take a look at these joints together. Beautiful pair, beautiful pair. So these will be releasing in adult sizes only. Now the confirmed raffles are currently open. Make sure you guys enter as many raffles as possible. And as I always stress, you guys, check out YeezyInfluence.com, which just makes your life a little bit easier. He posts how to cop guides, all of your raffle links, all at one place. So check out YeezyInfluence.com. So if you guys haven't smashed the like button yet, please go ahead and do so here. We have the Yeezy 350 V2 Oreo. Drop your first impressions down below. So I copped this pair off of GOAT, and actually looking at the tag, this is actually one of the original 2016 pairs. Thus you will notice the plastic tag. I do believe the newly manufactured pairs will have the new tags, and from what I've heard, the same great quality as the original release. So looking at these joints in hand, they look great. This definitely gives me memories of 2016, 2017 type of vibes, but the 350s are back. It's a staple for the Yeezy brand, and we are getting restocks all year. Of course, the red stripe is coming later this year, but in my opinion, this might be the best all black 350s. Don't at me. I mean, you got pretty much a primary all black Yeezy 350. We know what these joints look like. You got the white exposed boost, and then of course the main highlight of this is that white stripe with the Supply 350 going right across the upper, and it's more of like an off-white kind of creamish stripe, and then you'll notice some slight details of some little dots, you know, some little splatters going across the white, you know, on the upper. So the 350 is a classic for the Yeezy brand. Mad comfortable, feature full boost. If for some reason you've never tried the Yeezy 350, this is definitely the pair to get. In terms of sizing, Yeezys always tend to run just slightly small, so we always suggest to half size up from your true to size. So the Yeezy 350 V2 Oreo will be releasing this Saturday, March the 12th, for an increased retail price point of $230 in adult sizes only. So this is an amazing release. Thank you to Yeezy for bringing these joints back. As I said, 2022 is the year for the Yeezy restocks, and gotta say that this is the perfect 350 for an all black fit. You can't go wrong. And I'm hearing rumors that we could potentially get a restock of the Yeezy 350 V1. But that's all I can say, guys. Make sure y'all drop your feedback on this release. Are you guys excited for this? Have you been waiting to cop these joints all the way since they originally released? Let me know if you're excited about this Saturday's drop. So I want to wish you guys a whole bunch of luck and success on this release. But I know there's gonna be a lot of hearts broken coming up on Saturday. So let me know what you guys think. We're gonna wrap up today's video. Salute to each and every one of you guys. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all.